Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about how to apply for a job from Odoo website. So let's dive into the website module, and upon the submission of the form, we have to submit or apply for a job. So currently, you can see that we have a form in the website. In order to create a form in the website, you can just click on edit button. As you just drag down here, you would be able to find different snippets, and as this snippet is a dynamic content, we can just simply select for the snippet and drag and place it in this plane. So currently we have created a form over here. Now, upon the submission of the form, we just need to treat or apply for a job. So here you can see that I have set the action as apply for a job. So once everything is done, you can see the changes that you have made, and here you can provide the name of the name of the applicant, that is Steven, and let me provide the email. So let's say Steven at gmail.com. And afterwards, you can provide the number over here, and you can provide the LinkedIn details. And here you can also provide a short introduction. So I'm going to provide the details over here. Afterwards, you can also just set the resume over here. So I'm searching for the resume, and the resume must be less than 1 MB. And you can just submit the file. And afterwards, here you can see that congratulations, your applications has been posted successfully. We usually respond within 3 days, and in order to view the application, you can just move on to the recruitment module. And under the recruitment module, we can find the application. So I'm going to choose all applications over here. So as you just remove the filter, here you can find Steven, the recently created uh, uh, they recently received a job application. So here you can see the details, such as the details that we have just given from the website module. So if you just customize the fields such as job positions and all, you can also just fill out the details of that. So I hope this video clarifies how to apply for a job in Odoo 18 website. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.